Hey everyone, welcome, Jump Rope Warriors. Feeling really good right now. I just finished my workout today with quite an intense jump rope challenge. I was going to go home and then I checked my inbox, my emails, and I had an email from Jump N Rope. The word jump, the letter N, and rope. It's a company that produces jump ropes, and on their staff they have some phenomenal jump ropers. So they make some jump ropes. You might be interested in checking out their products. I have no affiliation with them. I receive emails from them because many years ago, when I was kind of new to jumping rope, I did one of their challenges. So I still receive emails. And I was going to go home, but when I saw this email, I thought I would give this challenge a go. Just before it, I recorded a video to address a viewer's question. I did some of my own jump rope, and then earlier today I did some calisthenics, a lot of pull-ups and grip work. So actually during the challenge, my right forearm was beginning to stiffen up a little bit, so I had to squeeze it a few times after the first set of 100 double unders just to help loosen it up. This challenge, they want you to use one of their particular jump ropes, but I just use my own PVC jump rope, and they want you to do it for speed. They want to see how fast you can do it, and ideally you want to do it without making any mistakes. You want to do it unbroken, and that was my goal today, to do it without making any mistakes. Not so much for speed. Maybe another day when I am fresh and I haven't done a bunch of stuff beforehand, I will give it a go for speed, and I won't take any little breaks in between movements. So for this challenge, I'll put it up on the screen. They want you to do two moves, double unders and the jog step, or sprinting in place. And when you're doing the jog step, let's say for example they want you to do 20 reps. They only want you to count 1 foot. So for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You only count 1 foot when it hits the ground for the jog step. And this challenge, I accomplished it doing it unbroken, but I had a little bit of a mental lapse when I was doing some of the jog steps. I went into single hops, but then when I realized, after just a couple hops, I went right back into the jog step, and I made up any repetitions that I needed to make. It's amazing. Once you start doing the same movement over and over again, it can almost become therapeutic, and you forget that you're doing it. And the fact that you're trying to keep head count as well, how many repetitions you've done in your mind, you can kind of just lose focus almost. That's what happened, but still great to do this challenge, and maybe you might want to give it a go yourself. It doesn't take that long. It's quite intense, and maybe if you're more new to doing double unders or jog step or the sprint in place, maybe don't do as much of the challenge. Maybe instead of going for 100 double unders as your max, maybe go for 50 and 50 jog steps as your max. Give it a go. It's a great challenge, and I'll leave it there for now. I'll put up my attempt on the screen, and as I said, I'll try to do this again another day when I'm more fresh and really go for speed. It's always good to push yourself and to challenge yourself. So 2 jump rope moves, double unders, and the jog step or the sprint in place. Combine them, you got a great challenge, great workout. All right, see you guys again soon with some tutorials and jump rope videos, fitness videos. All right, thanks for watching.
I got trapped in your eyes the moment you looked at me. From across the room, those eyes kept following me. Something popped in my brain, oh baby, only you I see. Feels like I'm going insane, and only you can save me. Feels like I'm drowning in ocean's blue. Baby, come on, baby, come on, let's go. I'm losing control of the lights in this space. Keep jumping around, all I see is your face. But you're moving closer, no time to escape. Your hand on my shoulder, ocean sand. You told me don't worry.